Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, ETH is still hovering in this correction. Seems to be developing here a healthy wave 4. Obviously made a new local high in resistance, so the wave 4 has moved. Could still stretch higher, absolutely, in a more extended ABC structure. So it's, however, we have a 3-wave move complete basically. Doesn't need to push any higher. But it would be ideal to at least touch the 1649 level. But you know, what are we talking about? I mean, it already reached 1646. It is in resistance. It doesn't need to push any higher. However, I think because tomorrow is public holiday in the US, I would think it is quite likely that it extends the 4th wave a little bit. It can do that as highlighted in white in this extended ABC structure. Or the wave 4 could also be in at any time. What would be evidence that a top is in? What would be good evidence, to say that we are now coming down? Well, as I highlighted to you before, 1624 here was micro support. The previous support level came down already to 1626, 1625. So this is support. A break below that level would increase, in my opinion, the likelihood that the wave 5 that we are waiting for is unfolding. And you can also use the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. This would be better evidence, So that level is currently at 1611. So a break below that level, sustained break below that level will be good confirmation that the wave 4 has topped. But again, 1624 will be first evidence. Now, what if it just keeps going higher? First of all, I have to say, this looks very much corrective. And so far, we only have 3 waves up. So a corrective move confirms at the moment, at least, my wave count here. Because it would suggest that we are in some kind of a corrective wave. Yeah, like a wave 4, for example. So it could just be actually a wave 4 over wave 2. Or a B wave. So these are the corrective patterns that we have available here in this particular scenario. For me, this at the moment is primarily a small wave 4, as you can see there, with a wave 5 to the downside to come. Minimum expectations would be for it to break below the 17th of August low. That level is here at 1576. Doesn't necessarily need to be the next low that breaks it, but ideally it would be. But that's eventually what I'd like to see, a break below that level. If we break above 1663, I would have to consider that a higher B wave is unfolding. So that this B wave didn't top here, but that simply a higher B wave is unfolding. It's absolutely possible. Very, very corrective structure here. Lots of up and down, lots of volatility, and very corrective. So this can, of course, then always stretch out into a more extended corrective pattern. But I will only consider that if price breaks above 1663, and it would be then an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And if we then see another higher low and another higher high, we have 5 waves up, have a first good pattern to indicate that a lasting low has been made here. Then an ABC structure to the downside can be used as a pullback entry point for higher. But until then, this is just corrective, because this is not a good start for, let's say, a new bull run or anything. This looks too corrective at this stage. Yeah, that's everything at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.